Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple sounds on TikTok. To start this tutorial, open your TikTok application. In here, go to your profile, and then create a post. Now look for the ones that you want to add in your gallery. You do this by tapping on the plus button, or you could also create a new video. In here, you can now tap on Add Sound. Now wait for TikTok to finish loading. In here, you can now choose whatever music you want to add. Go ahead, take your time in choosing the music. In here, you can also add another music. When you slide down, there are more options. And then turn on Save to Device. Once you are done, go back. In here, you are now going to choose again the post that you already made. You will see that the first music that we're using is already here. Now to add more, let's create a new one. Since we saved that to our device, open it once again. And then in here, you're going to tap on Add Sound once again. Wait for it to load. In here, choose whatever music you want to add over to the layer. This one kind of sounds cool. Once done, click on Next. In here, you can go ahead and post the project. Just tap on Post, the red button. As you can see, post will be uploaded. And as you're hearing in the video, there are two music attached. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.